भैया ज्वाइन इन
करना उसका नहीं करना है जो गूगल लॉगिन आइकन अదే जीमेल
सर
జాయిన్
सर
అయిపోయింది.
डन डन Hey guys, whoa, welcome to the SFC 15. Yeah, remember us? We used to do a podcast which was like, ages ago. We are back with our podcast, guys, and yes, with a better camera quality. But thank you. This is the podcast in which we will talk about stand-up football and cricket. And wait a minute. Finally, we have the co-founder of SFC 15. Today he has remembered his Zoom password and he's in the meeting room. So let's welcome Anil Anand Nagesh. Okay, where is he? Let me just see. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, the person, the co-founder of SFC 15 is here. He finally remembered his password. Anil Anand Nagesh, guys. Woo!
Hey, hey,
Hey,
hello
hey, hey.
Shavik. Hi, hi.
Whoa,
What
whoa.
what were you saying? मैं आने के पहले क्या बोल रहा था तू?
I was just saying, finally you have remembered your Zoom password, and you
अरे
finally remembered that you used to run a channel called SFC 15, and also I
अरे अब
remembered.
क्या करे? हाँ,
अब
सुन ना मेरे को भी सर एक्सेस देना एडमिन एक्सेस. सी आई एम आउट ऑफ दिस थिंग एंड तू मेरा एक्सेस ही हटा दिया सब कुछ.
this
You're doing
channel.
solo stuff.
Oh, I just changed the channel password as well. Do you see that? No.
No, no, I do not. I was inactive due to some changes in my life. I
Oh,
could
what
not.
was that? What is those changes? Can you just tell the audience, let our viewers know?
Our 130 active viewers, I got married. So that is why I
Woo!
was busy.
It's a very
Yes.
busy. Ah,
Yeah, I was very
I
busy.
have given you
Okay, चलो
the.
मेरा भी
I have
recording
given you
हो
some
गया
access because right now आपके life से सभी access निकाल दिए गए हैं. So
है. This is the only access I can have.
your access
So
to happy.
guys,
So guys,
oh my God, so good to be back, man.
yeah,
So good to be back. It's been a
everyone was
long
so.
time.
Yeah, I know because everyone was getting like some channel पे दो तीन videos without you were published. People were like, अरे, where is
Ah,
that
I
guy?
know. There was some podcast without me. Then there was your stand-up video on that the parody song that you did.
Parody
No,
song which I
yeah,
did
guys,
and
check out those videos. They're still on our channel, so
yeah,
please check out those
and
videos, throwback
yes,
videos.
we did that. And meanwhile, Anil was preparing for his, for his life. He was doing so much to, for his marriage and all. We were busy recording why Geomeat sucks.
Yeah, I remember. That's the name of the video. Why Geo Meat sucks.
Yeah,
So you can check that out, guys. Those videos are still there on the channel. So welcome back again today. So Shavik,
New Year
what are you
2021
up
with a
to?
new camera setup, guys.
Podcast.
With a podcast, but with the new same enthusiasm and same energy. हमारे faces थोड़े bright लगते हैं, not because ऐसा नहीं कि
कि फेस
हमको
वॉश लगाया है, कैमरा
ऐसा
बदल
नहीं
गया. शौविक
कैमरा
का मेरा
बदला
तो
है
वही है.
कैमरा बदला है शक्ल वही है बस लाइक अ स्टार का लाइक ये स्टार रिब्रांडिंग हुआ है शक्लें वही
बस
जज्बात
लोग
शक्लें वही जज्बात नहीं
जज्बात वही जज्बात नहीं. अरे रे रे रे,
ए
क्या बात है. दिस
थैंक
इज
यू
आवर लाइफ. शक्लें वही जज्बात नहीं.
यस
क्या बात है,
थैंक
क्या
यू
बात है. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. सो
हाँ सो
इतने दिनों बाद किए हैं तो अभी तो बात करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. तो
या
शौविक, यू से व्हाट डू वी स्टार्ट ऑफ विद? बता.
I'll say, yeah, let's talk about your married life. Okay, no. Yeah. But as people, let's again, as a co-founders of SFC 15, also we have to memorize कि कैसा flow होता था. पहले in podcast, which is
हाँ,
discuss stand-up football and cricket. So let's maintain
क्रिकेट.
that.
That
Stand-up,
decorum, by the way, co-founder of this 100 million Bitcoin
100 million club.
organization,
Let's
100 million
co-founders of
club.
this. We are
Yeah, in
Elon Musk.
virtual currency.
एलॉन मस्क के बाद हम ही है जो फाउंडर्स पे इतना वी आर सो पॉपुलर आफ्टर एलॉन मस्क एज अ फाउंडर ऑफ अ कट इट
Of something creative, dude.
क्रिएटिव वेरी क्रिएटिव सो
Something creative.
let's talk about stand-up. Stand-up, Anil, if you remember, there was something called stand-up, which you were part of.
Yeah,
So
we used to do stand-up. Yeah, so I was away from stand-up also for a long time.
for a long time, he's the
I took
Ricky
a
Gervais
break and all.
of in Hyderabad.
No, not at all. It's not even a break. Technically, I was never here only. वो
Yeah.
बस छोटे मोटे videos वगैरह करते थे. So what is happening in stand-up? Please
Oh,
tell me, sir.
stand-up में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, sir. Like suddenly, every comedian is now has a post called, "Oh, after 8 months, finally back on stage."
Back on stage. Yeah,
Everything is
venues have
back on
opened up and
stage.
all.
People have forgotten that there were Zoom shows पहले. अभी a lot of things are happening on stage. So a lot of comedians you see, they're uploading their videos. Like Pratyush Chaubey has uploaded his video. Gaurav Kapoor has uploaded his video.
Uploaded his video.
Veer Das, for some
He's
reason,
got a new
has
special.
a special
Yes.
because he's a
Veer Das
legend.
has a special. He's a
The one-
legend. It is called Inside Out, right? That is
Inside
what the
Out.
name is. Inside Out, है ना?
Yes.
Inside Out.
Inside
So
Out.
that is a
Okay,
very-
let me just check it out because I have a one more screen.
I have a dual monitor. Oh,
This
yeah,
is
sure. Please
This
go
is a
ahead.
gaming channel, guys, right now, in which we talk about stand-up football and cricket. We have all the necessary equipment to look.
We
make
play
it-
games with our audience. We play hide and seek. 1 month we do a podcast. Next month we are out. The audience is like, hey, किधर गए ये लोग करके?
Same like Manchester
That's
United.
what we do.
Like how
Hey,
Manchester United
hey.
are unpredictable. Hey,
Hey, fans लात मारेंगे, guys. All Man United fans.
All
This
like-
is solely Shauvik's word. I did not say anything. Bye. मेरे को मालूम है तुम लोग second पे हो Premier League में. मैं कुछ नहीं बोला. Shauvik said this like Manchester. So
Okay.
जितना bashing है उसको दो.
yeah. Manchester, like United fans, I'm sorry if you are watching this, but you are unpredictable. Too much unpredictable. you are. Like your coach and like Pogba. You are too much unpredictable.
Like Pogba's hairstyle.
Like Pogba. and
Just like
Trent.
it keeps changing every month, every year. बस
Every-
वैसे ही होते रहता है.
Every time you lose hope on United, something they will
They
turn.
come back.
They'll come back. They'll come back. And uske
I
baad
don't
when
know
you
how.
have when you have all the hopes on them, they will never come back. They are just gone. They are like, अरे Ferguson गया तो हम भी गए सर, हमारे को नहीं आता.
हमें भी नहीं आता है. Okay, so stand up में you were saying about Veer Das का special.
With a special, it's called Inside Out, and very like. Did you see the special?
Yeah, I saw it. So it is a very creative one. I mean, it was shot inside a single room with a single camera. I mean, one camera and the laptop camera, obviously.
Yeah.
And it was done on a series of shows, no? On a series of online shows. It is a culmination of
And he
all
asked
those.
everyone one question. That
What did you do in the
what is the first thing that you will do once the lockdown ends?
Lockdown ends.
And
Yeah.
that is why, see, and this is the same thing that he was repeating for every audience. So based
Yes,
on that
for
one
different
question, he
sets of
was getting reviews and he was doing that. And again, it was Veer Das. So Veer Das has an audience of the entire world. Even Eskimos were saying
Yes.
for some reason what they will do after the lockdown ends. And they
After lockdown, yeah, in Antarctica, although there is no corona, they were still
Yeah.
saying after lockdown we will do this, we will do that, Captain.
Veer Das was able to touch everyone with his
Yes.
with that question, but except one region people. It was Kashmir.
Which region? Oh, because there was no.
Because they had no
my
internet.
God.
Okay, shit.
Yes,
This is-
yes, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that was, and I was just thinking about our thing, like as a Veer Das asked the entire world one question, and he got a Netflix special.
Yeah.
We were also asking one question when we were doing online shows. Sir, can you on your camera, sir? Sir, can you switch on your camera?
Sir, please show your face, sir.
Please,
Sir,
sir.
please listen, sir.
Suresh, can you please switch on your camera?
Turn on your camera.
And Suresh.
So
was
we
like,
did shows. We were doing a couple of shows during the lockdown, online shows, and then Shauvik was doing a lot more shows than me online. में.
lot more
अच्छा था,
मतलब
and I think
2 plus 2. That's it.
yeah, that's enough. No, that was multiple.
Yeah.
So उसके बाद में, and then Shauvik was also, I think he hit the stage also last week. ना last week 2 हफ्ता पहले Christmas के दिन.
On Christmas, I hit the stage, guys. I
And
hit
the audience hit you after the show, right?
Yeah, almost, and everyone was hitting on me.
Yeah, that's what. Oh, wow, wow. So how was the experience? मतलब इतना दिन के बाद में
It was
अपन online कर रहे थे ना.
Oh God, I was very scared to see real people again because earlier we could see the disappointment in faces थोड़ा दूर से मतलब ऐसा
अभी एकदम नजदीक
अभी
से.
एकदम नजदीक में and they were also again and even audience is also scared right now. They are like हम लोग ऑनलाइन में बहुत बकचोदी करते थे अभी हमको थोड़ा तहजीब से बात करना पड़ेगा इन लोगों के
बात
साथ
करना है तो सीधा आके मुंह पे गाली देगा तो
गाली
तेरे
नहीं
को भी
कर सकते
पड़ेगा
थे
वाला.
ऑनलाइन शो में दे सकते
सही
थे
में.
अभी तो नहीं दे पा रहे हैं but it's good man like you know
हाँ.
you can see people you can interact with people like not like this
It
like
feels so new, no? All of a sudden, even we should do that, bro. So, guys, we are also letting you know very soon. Even we both will be
yes
meeting up and recording like a proper podcast, like we used to do at different venues and all.
but
So
we'll wear
we'll sit
mask
and
guys
record it
we'll
in
wear
person.
mask and we'll
Yeah,
record
with
it's so
mass. We'll do a parda. We'll do like a nikah, no? Like there, like here. We will do that. We will talk. And yeah, we'll put parda in between. We'll do a camera. We'll collaborate with our video partner, Yanib Creations
Yanis
again.
creations yes so that is what
And
in
then we will.
stand-up is happening a lot of you know
Uh,
India is again Hyderabad is also trying to open up for comedy again
uh,
venues we are called venues are finally giving shows for comedy
opening up store. Yeah.
opening up
I saw.
slowly and if you are a venue and you want some people
Oh, yeah, please reach out to us if you are
chat
a
to us
venue. I mean, if you are not a venue, what I mean is if you manage a venue, you can come
venue
to us
very
for sure.
unlikely that you are watching the two guys talking about stand-up football and cricket but
Yeah,
if
because
you
if
are
you're
doing
managing a venue and you're
please
watching us, then we clearly
please
know how good your venue is doing business.
yeah so that
But
is what
and there, dude, there is one more thing in stand-up. In the lockdown only, so there is a new special that has come called Zero Fucks given by Kevin Hart. It's a Netflix special.
even I
Netflix
gave a zero
original का
fuck to it
special है. Kevin
start
Hart
guys
है रे साले.
huh?
नहीं नहीं the special is also very interesting. So Kevin Hart, you obviously saw Kevin Hart का दूसरा specials ना. भाई
yeah
पूरा
yeah
कैसे भाई पूरा एकदम या तो मार्स या तो जुपिटर पूरा planet he takes for rent and then he पूरा fills it up. फुटबॉल स्टेडियम
oh
वगैरह वगैरह कर देता है वो.
this was that right like he was wearing pajamas and he was shooting the studio was his like the living room and all that is what right
Yeah, it was not a studio, it was his home basically. It
oh
was like a small hallway जिसमें
अच्छा
सोफा वगैरह लगा के थोड़ा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग लगा के कर रहा था. It was, I saw like half of it. Acha tha. So guys, you can check that out. All the
yeah
Kevin Hart
and
fans, you
also
can
Dave
see that.
Chappelle for some reason has uploaded a lot of stand-up like there
Out
was
of
that
nowhere,
I don't know
कि
like
पता नहीं साहब कौन सा फूक के आके चढ़ा दिए. He found, I don't know. I think he shifted his home or what कि पूरा when you shift और बहुत कचड़ा मिलता है आपको. अरे ये मेरे पास था. Oh, this book was there. अरे ऐसा वैसा करके.
and
So ये
nothing
सब सीन चल रहा है.
एक भी कुछ 10-10 मिनट का नहीं है everything is 30 minutes 40 minutes and he's just I don't know where is he recording all this how did he record all this when did he write all this
He's Dave
just
Chappelle,
he's
dude.
like Dave
He's Dave
Chappelle
Chappelle.
Dave Chappelle
He's
so
he's
please
Dave
watch
Chappelle.
that also a lot of nice comedy out from there uh, और Indian comedy भी है so Pratyush Chaubey and all these people are finally
Gaurav Kapoor.
Gaurav Kapoor are doing uploaded a lot of stuff Azim Baratwala has also uploaded his stand-up video. Kautuk Srivastava has uploaded his stand-up video.
Kautuk Srivastava was uploaded. It was recorded at Habitat, na?
Habitat, yeah. So and all this is after lockdown. So they have recorded after lockdown. So even if you want to see after lockdown stand-up video, so please come to our shows and let us.
Yes, you will get the
We'll
latest
record
update
it.
at
We'll record
one
it
place.
for you.
So anything else going on in stand-up?
No, not for now. We are waiting for a Hyderabad to to open up properly so that we
Still
will
open
also
up
get back to
fully.
live shows
Yeah.
and we'll have more updates
Okay.
there. And coming
More
to
updates then.
more updates, the most updating. इस बार इतने अपडेट्स आए हैं
Updating of the
फुटबॉल में.
updater of the
There are so many
updates.
updates in football
Yes.
that
1
even
second, Shavik.
Innocent is saying that oh my
Saying ki nahi, I can't take further more.
I cannot do this. What is this?
1 second. I'm coming in a minute, okay? You continue talking to the people. I have something to show.
Okay,
I'll just
to the people all over the world, I just have to say ki football is going through like if you are watching football in this season is particularly very good and this is how it feels in a live show, in an online show, where you're talking to
Okay,
picture.
okay. So football. So this is the most exciting thing that we both want to talk about.
Yes.
So last year मतलब वही December में after my marriage and all, I was slowly ये पूरा चल रहा था, थोड़ा तभी free हो रहा था, तो I bought a book and I'm reading that book
Oh,
and I wanted to show that book
yeah.
so that its sales will increase. Oh no, that is a
No, no,
joke. But I'm
please
just
don't do
saying
that.
our views will
No,
increase.
no, no, don't do that. Suddenly our internet connection will go off. You don't know.
Yeah, on this risk, guys. So you may expect a small static here in the
Oh,
podcast, but don't worry, it is
Bible,
not your problem or your earphones. Yeah, the Bible on
the
football.
Bible.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the best autobiographies that I'm reading, and I'm not making this as a joke. It is seriously a very good book. I'm halfway through it.
Yes.
So I am reading this book. Yeah. The book is called I am what's the name, guys? Can you read it, Sharvin,
Let me
please?
tell you, I am Zlatan Ibrahimovic. I resurrected AC Milan.
Oh God. Yeah, so
What
I'm
is-
reading that book. It is awesome. And what is happening?
What is happening in Serie A? Serie A?
What is happening in
What
Serie A?
happened in Serie A? I just do not understand. What is the stats? What is AC
The
Milan doing in
stats.
number one? What is AC Milan at number one? Oh my
Dude, you saw the table. AC Milan are not just number one. They are 3 points clear of Inter Milan.
Inter
मतलब
Milan.
next match में
Dude,
ऐसा नहीं कि neck to neck type में है.
It's the glory days back. Glory
For
days.
AC Milan. If they
What is
continue this run, then they can pretty much win the Serie A, dude.
Yeah.
They are 3 points clear right now.
And-
और ये 2-3 मैचेस अच्छा तगड़ा गया है, 7 points ऐसा क्लियर हो गया बोलते, they have a very good chance of winning the Serie A.
And with the God at their side.
With God at their side and it's
dude,
the
they are
we
like
said, see, we were all joking, dude. But एक बात बोल, तू याद है ना लास्ट ईयर जब ज़्लाटान आ रहा था इटली
Yes.
को, अपन सब क्या तू
No,
में
no,
भी
no,
क्या
no, no.
जोक मार रहे थे, बुड्ढा
पहले
आएगा क्या,
पहले बोले स्पेन में आएगा, होला स्पैनियोल.
फिर होला स्पेनियल I'm coming back.
Then he suddenly forgot, oh shit, Italy, oh god, ये है. Then he came and we were like, बुड्ढा क्या खेलेगा, हो गया.
क्या करेगा वो क्या, हाँ.
And he is kicking bicycle kicks.
Bicycle kicks here. Exactly. He's
Dude,
39 years old. He scored 10 goals, dude. वो तो इंजरी में चला गया था एक महीना, but he
Yeah.
scored 10 goals right now.
And
Top
see,
5 scorers में है अभी.
top 5 scorers, dude. What? And I was really, though, the last match that happened with Juventus.
3-1 हारे वो लोग.
3-1 जो हारे. Was he injured in that match or he didn't play?
Yeah, he did not play. He did not play.
Just like this, you know what? There is already
He
one
did
star
not
in the pitch.
And by the way,
I
yeah,
always want to be the one more star, so I cannot be one more.
one more. Yeah, I am one. I
Bacha,
cannot be one more.
for him, Ronaldo is a bacha. Khelo.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
भाई Zlatan है ना वो.
Zlatan.
No, so you know the interesting thing was कि I'm happy for that कि यार वो किया इतना अच्छा खेल रहा है and AC Milan is doing really good, dude. मैं by the way, the match that they lost to Juventus.
They have lost
Exactly. That is the only match they've lost. All other teams in top flight Europe,
And
top 5 season जो है.
If you see last season, AC Milan was at
We're sixth. That too because of Zlatan, they came back at 6th.
Yeah.
They were at 11th or 12th.
They had lost 10 matches, guys. They had lost 10 matches, and this year, at 2018, when they lost something like that. And this year, they lost only one match. That also when Zlatan was not there. So AC Milan.
With Juventus, they lost.
What is happening?
They are on top of the league, by the way. It is halfway through the season. They are 3 points clear of Inter Milan. They are on top of the league.
And I guess 40 is the highest points that they have got. I don't know if the number of matches also or ज़्यादा है.
हाँ नहीं ज़्यादा है मतलब Juventus से एक ज़्यादा है. एक ज़्यादा है Juventus से.
Like अब देखो लिवरपूल में 17 मैच खेला लिवरपूल. Their points are at 33. And these people played 17 matches. Their points are at 40. So I guess they're exceeding everything. Like they're playing.
So yeah, that's what I'm saying. So in the top 5 leagues in England, in the world, in Europe, जो England हो गया, Italy हो गया, Spain हो गया, Germany और France का, AC Milan is the only team which was unbeaten until the Juventus match in
Yes.
top flight. They
Yes.
lost the Juventus match. That is it. Otherwise, Liverpool lost, Juventus lost, Barcelona lost, Real Madrid lost.
Barcelona.
सब हारे.
Barcelona lost too badly.
Barcelona lost money, Barcelona lost fans, Barcelona lost hope,
Oh.
and Barcelona
Barcelona
lost their
lost-
president, and Barcelona lost Suarez.
And
जो
Barcelona
साला
was
जाके एथलेटिको में
about
किल
to,
कर रहा है.
and Barcelona was about to lose Messi.
About to lose Messi. Yeah.
Messi. And then
और
his
अभी
father
तो
said, and then
क्या
his
ही
father
बोले.
said, नहीं,
हम यहीं रहेंगे.
उनके
I
पिताजी
can't relocate
बोलेंगे.
in this age, so yeah.
Yeah.
So you know, right, guys? Any
But
middle
that
class
will come to
parents, so he
later
said,
stage. We will talk about what all
yeah,
stuff
talk
sad
about it.
happened in La Liga. But right now, let's not
Yeah.
take the glory from Serie A. Like, oh God.
Syria.
Serie
So
A
what
is
do you
so
think,
good.
Shavik? What do you think? See, I want AC Milan to win this year, dude.
I want that because I used to hear in 2003, 7, 8, 2003 that who was that Maldini, the great era of Maldini. Like the AC Milan was at the peak when they used to play. The
Yeah,
AC
that
Milan
time
team,
they had Kaká,
Kaká,
they had
they were the best team.
Shevchenko.
And I used to hear about that AC
Yeah,
Milan
that
was
time
the
they
best
were.
team. And
Yeah, dude, they won Champions League twice between like 5-6 years के span में.
right. And
They won
now
it twice. They won Serie A.
and now again it is looking
Now
like
again they are on top, and it is a strange thing.
They're doing that. Huh?
They're doing that. Looks like. So if things continue like this, I want Serie A to be won by AC Milan, dude. बहुत हो
I
गया है
want.
Juventus का. 8-9 साल से जीत ही रहे हैं. I want AC Milan this year. मैं
And
last year भी सोच रहा था कि Inter Milan जीते, but Zlatan, dude, actually had an impact. I mean, we've spoken a lot, we joked a lot कि क्या है ये बैगन है ये वो करके, but Zlatan has had a
but
serious
बैगन
impact on.
बैगन नहीं है वो, बहुत
नहीं है वो बैगन
बहुत
नहीं है वो.
बहुत killer है वो,
Uh,
मतलब.
he's
Oh.
had a solid impact, and their manager also, we have to give them full credit, dude.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, last season also, after Zlatan came, they managed to get 6th Europa League वगैरह खेल लिए वो लोग ये साल. लेकिन dude, this season right from the start they've been on top.
Oh
They
God,
have been on top.
such exceptional football they have played, and it is very nice.
And I at least want Serie A to win. So guys, you can please
Serie A,
check out and
I
let
want
us know.
them to.
Who do you
want them
think?
to win. Yeah.
Yeah, please check us and let us know in comments that who do you want to win the Serie A this time. देखते हैं इस बार we want something new. We want a lot of changes in all the leagues. कि Juventus हो गया भाई 9 साल बहुत जीत लिया काफी है. Inter Milan भी light
Talking about
right now.
changes in the league, let's talk about
Yes.
La Liga. Okay.
Let's change the league.
Let's change
Talking
the
about
league.
changes in the league, let's change the
The
league.
league,
Let's
because
talk about
what is going
the
on?
La Liga.
Uh,
What is going on in La Liga?
there
Who's
was
at
one
top?
point. There was one point when Barcelona was at 8th.
8th in La
Barcelona-
Liga. Yes, I know.
There is a team called Real Sociedad, which was at top.
That was
Like-
that was at second, dude. Atletico was on top all the while.
Okay, so because Real Sociedad, nobody heard, even the team did not heard, which the team was. Like, what the hell is this? But oh God! Now again, it is the top 3 again, but still Barcelona. What is this? What this for Barcelona fans? This year was tough, right? This year हमने बहुत ऊपर नीचे
Last
देखा।
year was very tough. बहुत
Very
ऊपर
tough.
नीचे हुआ.
ये भी इस year भी
I mean-
starting में बहुत ऊपर नीचे हुआ. Barcelona was losing a lot of matches this year starting में अभी मतलब season
I really
start.
don't know what is happening right now at Barcelona. क्योंकि देखो भाई पहले तो पैसों का लोचा हो गया उधर.
Right.
So it is really difficult apparently for them to pay wages to all their players and their staff and everything.
Yeah.
That is one problem. Secondly, their president last year जिसका मेसी के साथ झगड़ा हुआ था, he resigned. So there is a new board right now. Okay, I don't know what they are doing.
They are
And
doing
then there
nothing.
is a new coach.
Yeah.
There is a new coach who took a lot of time to settle, and I don't know, he was such a big idiot को why he left Suarez. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया Suarez को क्यों निकाले अभी भी.
अब
Because
काटेगा
his
कौन?
connection with Messi was.
अब काटेगा कौन?
वही तो.
ग्रीजमैन काटेगा.
अब
दांत
एल क्लासिको में कौन करेगा?
ग्रीजमैन के
हाँ,
दांत
एल क्लासिको में कौन झगड़ा करेगा हमारे?
कौन करेगा?
And भाई एल क्लासिको तो लास्ट 2-3 एल क्लासिको तो अपन हारे ही हैं.
Yes. और
So
अभी
we are not the same force.
we are
I
not the
think
same
that
force.
hangover that happened. You remember that 8-2 defeat against
Oh God! No, no.
against
Apart from Barcelona is becoming Argentina again. It's just Messi. Where is where is the tell me one
no
like
dude,
one
Barcelona is,
player.
you know what,
Like
I'm okay. There is Osman Dembele, the young player, but वो आधा time साला injured ही रहता है.
injured
So there
रहता
are
है.
just couple of new guys who've come. You know, Pedri, Trincao, ये पूरा थोड़ा अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, Ansu Fati and all. But
हाँ
I don't know, Champions League में ये लोग को वो experience नहीं है तो थोड़ा scene हो जा रहा है.
हो
So
जा
it's
रहा
just
है.
Messi, but thankfully, dude, thankfully, bro, कल वो लोग मैच बहुत अच्छा खेले. कल ग्रेनाडा के साथ या किसी के साथ मैच था.
Yeah.
I saw the match live. 4-0 जीते. Messi scored twice and Griezmann
Buddha
scored twice.
Buddha scored twice.
And it was really good. It was proper tiki taka kind of football. अच्छा passes था, अच्छा position था, अच्छा game था, and they are third in the table, which is a very good sign. But still, they are way behind. You know, Atletico
Way behind
Madrid,
Atletico Madrid.
way behind.
And I don't
तो
know, like
ये साल तो मैं होप्स भी छोड़ दिया था कि भाई ये साल मेरे को लग भी नहीं रहा था कि टॉप 4 में खेलेंगे. मेरे को लग रहा था कि भाई अगले साल बारसा को यूरोपा में देखना पड़ेगा.
correct.
But
But
thankfully it is
थोड़ा
there. See what happens, no, when the club goes so much of financial crisis and that management things and all happen. What happens is it becomes very difficult. क्योंकि Arsenal, United जैसा हिसाब हो जाता है.
and
Once
you
you go
mess
down
with
to come back
and you
again,
mess up with your best players. Like,
yeah, dude.
what is this?
Then
Like,
all big players also find it difficult to come there.
yeah, like now
See, after
what?
this Messi and Griezmann, we need to build players who have to come here. बड़े players को आना चाहिए. Messi retire हो गया तो उधर कोई भी नहीं है फिर.
नहीं है. And that is what.
जब
Well,
पीके गया.
after a point of time, they have to look for an option apart from Messi. Like
Exactly.
after a
You know,
point of time,
midfielders also, like when there was Xavi and Iniesta,
the
after वो लोग
midfield,
चले गए, still we
midfield
were
of Barcelona,
midfield.
Xavi,
Exactly. जो पेप
Iniesta,
बना के गया.
और बहुत किराक प्लेयर्स थे. That entire field अभी नहीं अभी
तो do
nobody
you think,
knows
ये एक बात बता, मेरे को ये जो नया कोच आया अभी, रोनाल्ड कुमन,
Ronald
do you
Koeman,
think
the
he's doing a
Dutchman.
good job there? The Dutchman. Do you
I
think he's
don't know,
doing a
man.
good job?
There is nothing.
I'm not satisfied, dude. As a Barca fan, you tell me, are you satisfied with his work?
Like I thought when he came back, he would come back with that aggression. I don't know, like the aggression that he came. He said, I don't have any plans for Suarez right now. Get out, okay. Like what is
हाँ
this?
हाँ हाँ. I didn't like his attitude at all. Okay, PK भी भाई पता नहीं injured है, क्या कर रहे हैं नहीं
क्या
मालूम
है, no
PK
one
साहब.
knows.
The defense also we have to work it out, dude. PK भी देखो, Ramos, PK are all 34, 35 that age now. So they will slowly leave. तो उसके बाद defense build करना पड़ेगा, Messi को build करना पड़ेगा, सबको build करना पड़ेगा. There are players from the academy, but still we need. मतलब अब देख, no big player will want to go to Arsenal directly.
Yeah.
You can't expect some big player क्योंकि उनका
Also,
बड़ा player खुद ही निकलना चाह रहा है वहाँ
like,
से.
it is
Mesut
just,
Özil.
it is just becoming like वही मतलब वो जो अर्जेंटीना के साथ होता है, दो ही प्लेयर्स खेल रहे हैं, everything is expected on them to do. And
Yeah,
again,
and then
this is the
right from
best.
the
This
time
is
they
the
came,
yeah.
मतलब from the time he came, उसका body language भी अजीब ही था कि you know he had no plans for Suarez को निकाल दिया. You know, then they let go of Rakitic. फिर
Right.
वो अब मेसी के साथ भी अलग ही सीन हो गया. मेसी तो बस छोड़ के he was almost to City, Manchester City.
City and right, I don't know अभी मतलब अभी कितना he like अभी खतरा टला नहीं है for this year.
नहीं, so guys, if you're thinking कि you know Messi might stay at Barcelona, it pains to say that next year, guys, next year in the sense this year by the end of the season, Messi's contract will be expiring. That
and he will
means
get a
he
correct.
will be.
अब वो पिताजी भी नहीं कर पाएंगे कुछ भी.
हाँ.
अभी
That
अब्बा
now he
मान
will be a
जाएंगे.
free agent. Means he can do a transfer for free.
Of course.
He can't. You know, Barcelona cannot claim any money over his transfer that time.
And उसके बाद क्या होगा बार्सिलोना का? कौन? You will watch for Griezmann or what? Will you watch last?
I don't know. I
I
mean,
won't.
then dude, it is difficult, but I think he's getting into the groove. क्योंकि क्या हुआ मालूम ना, पहले after 5-6 matches in La Liga, after 4-5 matches in Champions League and all ना, Messi had scored goals only from penalties.
Right.
तो अभी जो है Messi is like little bit back in that groove and also he scored twice yesterday. फिर परसों का मैच में भी 2 goals मारा वो. So he's right now leading goal scorer in La Liga with 11
but
goals.
still the teams that they are playing are Like again, I don't know, the top two teams, that Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid, are actually playing like the football that they used to play. Abhi Barcelona is
They're
trying to
playing the same way, dude.
they're trying to
बार्सिलोना
again
अभी
revive
कल
it.
का मैच एक अच्छा था.
Huh, but
हाँ,
again they played with a team which is like eighth or ninth of the table.
yeah,
Can they do it with? Can they like like now the word is coming? Can they pull it off with
can.
Atletico Madrid also like this? Can they come back like this?
That is a
Can they give a
difficult
shock?
question.
Can they? I don't know if they can give a shock to Real Madrid right now or not. Like if they can
No, they
shock,
can't.
that is also Real
See,
Madrid. This
as
is
a
like
Barca fan,
yeah, I
I'll
know.
tell you openly, I want, if when Barca is playing Atletico Madrid or when Barca is playing Real Madrid, no, I want a draw बस. मैं जीतने का सोच भी नहीं रहा because I know they cannot. मेरे को draw चाहिए, काफी है, एक पॉइंट लो, घर जाओ.
Yeah,
And
अभी अब like इस बार होप्स है चैंपियंस लीग में maybe they are the अभी
हाँ,
फेब
घंटा
में है.
होप्स है बेटा.
अब
चैंपियंस
फेब
लीग में किसके साथ है मालूम है?
PSG के साथ मैच है फेब में इनके साथ. और
PSG का मैनेजर कौन है भैया अभी?
मेसी ने पोस्ट भी कर दिया. नेमार विल मीट यू. रुको
हाँ,
भाई.
नेमार विल मीट यू. अब वो पता नहीं, बाय द टाइम मेसी जनवरी में चला जाएगा PSG, यू नेवर नो. साथ में पता चल रहा है, दे प्लेइंग इन द सेम टीम.
अरे ओ
यू नेवर नो.
अरे पीछे से
नहीं,
एम्बापे
वो
बोलता है,
नहीं
"Hey
नहीं
bro,
नहीं,
I
he will
am
not
also
go.
there."
Yeah, because Messi won't go in January for sure, because
No, no,
then
no.
that will amount
I
too much
Messi
money.
Messi
But
won't go to PSG, dude. That is for sure.
no, because that, no, he won't go. मतलब option नहीं है ना. To see till July के बाद में any club can, try to buy him, because वो
Correct.
buyout clause वगैरह set हो
I
जाएगा.
and
But now if they have to buy
I'm
either
sure Pep
PSG,
is buying. No, Pep will buy him. But City will buy him. City will buy him.
most
City
likely yes.
टॉकिंग अबाउट सिटी अगेन. सिटी इस बार सिटी वाले भी बहुत थोड़ा उनका भी थोड़ा ऊपर खबर गया है थोड़ा.
अभी थोड़ा fortunately आ रहे हैं रोड पे.
They're trying to
But
come
that
back.
will talk in Premier League.
Yes, but let's go
That
to
will try to
Premier
do in
League.
the Premier League.
Should we go to
Now
Premier
we'll
League?
go to Premier League. Okay, yeah. Before that, I just want to know any prediction you want to tell. Who will win the La Liga this season?
This year, all pakka it is Atletico Madrid.
Atletico.
Athletic, and they should win. They should win, I guess.
They should win.
Because
Yeah, actually,
the
it's
way-
been high time.
Yeah, the way they are playing. नहीं तो इस बार सिमियोनी आके मार देगा लोगों को. He will kill people.
वो तो सबको ही मारेगा.
सबको मारेगा. मतलब literally will come and cut. Will kill
हाँ.
people. Corona गया. I will kill people right now.
I will kill you. कोरोना से
And
खतरनाक
for
हूँ.
the safety
अच्छा.
of Spanish people, we have to let Simeone win this time.
Let Atletico Madrid
Yeah,
win.
yeah, so
Yeah.
yes.
No, but before we go to Premier League, just that we spoke about PSG, we would like to tell you all that, guys, I think it's pretty much open now, that PSG sacked their manager, Thomas Tuchel, and Mauricio Pochettino is the
Pochettino.
new PSG manager. Yeah. So PSG का पहला मैच वो जो Pochettino खेला, it was a 1-1 draw. Then
Right.
yesterday they won 3-0. So Pochettino's first home match was a win. So अच्छा चल रहा है. Yeah, so he signed a contract for 1.5 years.
Oh,
अब देखते हैं PSG में क्या करता है. But PSG के लिए Pochettino का सबसे बड़ा challenge है league. तो hopefully, I want PSG to win the league. Or that's the only option. At least Pochettino will get to lift a trophy, which is he deserves it. Pochettino needs a trophy.
He deserves a cup.
Trophy, a league title. So that is there. But by PSG का match है बारसा के साथ Champions
Yes,
League.
in Feb में नहीं?
फेब में.
Feb में.
तब तक एम्बापे है, नेमार है, डिमारिया आ जाएगा, इकार्डी है, मॉइस्किन भी अच्छा खेल रहा है. अब बार्सिलोना में कौन खेल रहा है भाई?
बार्सिलोना में only Lionel Messi and Griezmann. बस. I just cannot. अभी इनके साथ I'm just scared. अभी will it be the Bayern Munich or Barcelona का encounter this year? Will it be like that? I don't want.
I don't know.
मेरा
अभी किसी भी बड़ा टीम से डर लग रहा है, dude.
Yeah,
अभी see, for example, if Barcelona plays Liverpool, if Barcelona plays City, if Barcelona plays Bayern Munich, if Barcelona plays Juventus, भाई डर तो लग रहा है यार.
क्या मतलब अब वो कितना बुरी तरह हराएंगे वो डर है. Because after
वो डर है, humiliation.
After Munich did that to us, shoot, we will so बहुत लगेगा. I just hope कि जब तक we all जब ये जॉर्डी अल्बा ये लोग थोड़ा अच्छा खेलना सीख ले, थोड़ा we get strong again. But
See,
I
the
think
problem is, देखना, लीग में थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है, एकेडमी प्लेयर्स के साथ थोड़ा बहुत 3 पॉइंट वगैरह चल सकता है, बट इन चैंपियंस लीग यू नीड एक्सपीरियंस डूड, यू नीड लाइक प्रॉपर विनर्स फॉर दैट. उसीलिए रियल मैड्रिड देख, बार्सिलोना एट दैट टाइम, सिटी एंड ऑल वर स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर दैट आल्सो, क्योंकि वो चैंपियंस लीग का मेंटालिटी आना है, that
Or
winning thing,
that
you need
winning thing,
experience.
and right now with the team that they have, which is, I don't know, like इतना कोई
Dude,
proven
I
है नहीं.
really think वो जो आके करे थे प्रोजेक्ट रिकंस्ट्रक्शन टाइप जो करना चाह रहे थे, they should have made the best with the same squad. I don't know why they let Suarez go to Atletico. Unnecessarily that happened. वो Suarez उधर भी जाके अच्छा खेल रहा है, 9 गोल मार दिया है वो.
So Suarez अच्छा player है, इसको यार, he did want to leave Barca. He was like,
I don't know, dude, what was there.
I don't know what happened with that entire thing, and now you send him to a team which is like, what the hell is that?
And dude, I think if Atletico will win this year, then Suarez will be happy.
Very happy because
League title जीत गया.
League title जीत गए.
Winning with Barca is different.
Like
winning with Barcelona is different.
Suarez has to be happy.
Yeah.
Because
winning with Barca is different, but winning with Atletico is different.
His family will be kidnapped then.
Yeah.
Do you think?
But guys, I think we forgot the biggest news that we had to share. I'm so sorry that I'm telling. So before Premier League, because I know if we go to Premier League, we'll forget everything. So there is a biggest sad news to all the football fans that we like to let you know. Last year, okay, this year everything is starting off good. All things are good. I think all the fans are happy in some way or the other. All the clubs. But last year was very sad because dude, Diego Maradona passed away.
Oh.
And we just wanted to address it. We wanted to pay condolences. I mean, not that we are so big or big like clubs who give condolences, but we are very genuine and serious football fans. We are unlucky, both of us, that we couldn't live in the era when
we were like, at that point of time, because there was so many things happening, and this year started like that year. The 2020 was really bad, and that Maradona passing away, and
I mean, we wanted to shoot that time. We both were talking, me and Shavik asked me a couple of times also, but due to my own commitments and his commitments and all, we were not finding it time to record and all. Record करके फिर edit करना ये हो गया था.
It was just like how will you ever like कुछ भी कैसा बोलेंगे, because even everyone, my father was sad, I was sad.
Even my father was sad. So both our fathers are, obviously very, very huge football fans, and they were all sad.
And I was like, he just could not believe it when I said that Maradona passed away. Everyone, nobody.
Yeah.
He's one of that player. He was that player. Like I still don't know. Like if I say, Messi, Ronaldo, ये सब जो है, lot of people maybe it's still in Indian households, they are not such a big name. Like my mom will never know who is Messi or Ronaldo, but she knows who is Maradona. Everyone knows who is Maradona. And
he was we can't help it, but so our condolences and our tribute from our side, from SFC 15 also to the legend of the game. Unlucky that we couldn't see him, or we were not born in the era when he played, but nevertheless,
but still,
any football fan would love him.
Like everybody, just give respect to that. Like everybody respect. We are not cannot give you
to the legend.
Legend.
Yeah. So if guys Maradona के बारे में अगर आपको जानना है, so there is a movie called Diego Maradona. It is directed by some guy called I don't remember his Asif Kapadia. Yeah, Asif Kapadia. So you can watch out that thing. So that is the story basically when Maradona leaves Barcelona and he goes to Napoli, and it is a proper documentary, like how he did it, like right from his drugs, prostitution, everything.
And how did he? That particular club which was almost relegated, and which had really no hope,
made them win.
They made it. They made it win, and how he was he was almost God in Naples, and how did he?
He still is, by the way. Shavik, this thing. Napoli's home ground was called Sao Paulo or San Paulo or something. After Diego Maradona passed away, so they've renamed their stadium now. So now Napoli's home ground is called Stadium Diego Armando Maradona Stadium. So they have given their tribute to their club legend. Yeah.
And and in that place only, like there is one conflict that in '86 happens, like Italy and Argentina comes to.
No, not '86, '90.
90, sorry.
86 to Argentina jeeta.
86 or 90? 90, 90, right?
86 Argentina jeeta.
Okay,
86 was Mexico World Cup where
right.
Argentina win. 90 was in Italy, where
Italy, and then
semi-final was in Naples.
yes,
Italy
Naples,
versus
and then he
Argentina.
had to be with like that entire how the emotion was and how uske baad it changed for him in Italy. Like he had to leave Naples in dry.
In Italy, he was
Yeah, it
becoming a
was
villain
superb,
in
superb.
Italy.
Please watch it, guys. Please watch it.
And yeah, and on a funny note, you can also watch a series called in Netflix, which is Maradona in Mexico. So
Yes.
Maradona was the manager of a team called El Dorados in Mexican league, which was at 7th or 8th in their league. So he was the manager there, and El Dorados, by the way, guys, you will be shocked to know, and it is
Yeah.
an very interesting thing. So El Dorados is a club from a place in Mexico called Sinaloa.
Oh,
And
Sinaloa.
Sinaloa is a place. Yeah, Sinaloa is a place which is famous for one man, uh, El Chapo
El
de
Chapo.
Guzman.
Yes, Sinaloa
Chapo de
cartel.
Guzman. The Sinaloa cartel. So, it's a nice thing. It's a journey there. You can see that
And
on,
wherever,
on
and
Netflix.
yeah, it has a very nice. Please watch that. So it will be good. So now let's the most important league.
अच्छा और एक बात
Yeah.
सुना तो बीच में परसों क्या हुआ था मेसी स्कोर्ड 644 goals. Okay, so that is a record.
Yes.
That is a record. He 644 goals for a single club. That's a record. Previously, that record was by Pele. Pele का record था at 643.
Pele ka
So
record.
Messi scored.
Pele ka record every year changes. Like that we cannot do.
Yeah, exactly. So
Every year
644
it
हुआ तो Budweiser have released that beer.
Oh
So
God!
they've
It's
made
a
644
super
goal.
bad. It's a super bad. That
Right, so they've given it to all the goalkeepers, 180 goalkeepers who were who couldn't defend against Messi basically. So
Yeah.
every customized beer with that they were given to that. So after that, what happened? Pele ka highest goal scoring was 757,
Yeah.
leading goal scorer or something. All-time leading goal scorer वो था. So परसों Ronaldo उसका record surpass किया, 758 मारा. So apparently that record was now Ronaldo. So next day Pele क्या किया मालूम on Instagram? He changed on Instagram and Twitter and all. He changed his bio. Leading goal scorer of all time,
Yes.
1283 goals.
Now beat it.
Now beat it.
Now Ronaldo is like, "Arey,
Now beat it."
what the hell is
I don't know, man. It sort of looked childish to me from Pele. उसको
like
नहीं
you have to
करने का था
increase.
ऐसा.
Maybe if you would have increased थोड़ा 50, then we would have gone ठीक है बोल के.
हाँ नहीं 750 फोन से 850 कर दिया तो ठीक था.
ठीक है सोचता रहे ठीक है थोड़ा बुढ़ा है थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन भी क्या होगा मतलब. But what is this? What is
पर
1200?
1200?
What is 1200?
I don't know.
क्या है?
1200 तो बहुत ही ज्यादा है.
बहुत ही
अच्छा
ज्यादा.
guys, sorry Shavik, I've been taking lot of time. You are very excited to talk about
the league
About.
that actually we give a shit about.
Yeah.
Premier League.
So guys, let's talk about the
Wow.
Premier League.
The league of the
What is
league.
happening in Premier League?
Oh,
Dude,
God.
I mean, this is by far the most interesting season in the Premier League. 1 week and 1 match. The entire dynamics are changing. You win 1 match, the team climbs up 3-4 places. Suddenly they are second. You lose 1 match, suddenly they are bloody hell 8th or 9th. And if you lose 2 matches, then you're in relegation all of a sudden.
Like people are like this season was like so unpredictable in Premier League कि कभी A team जा रहा है कभी वो team चला जा रहा है कभी Liverpool is down कभी City is down कभी United is first कभी right now it's like previous year थोड़ा Liverpool is on top as always.
नहीं थोड़ा क्या बात कर रहे? It is not like last year, dude. Look at
I
the
know.
points difference between 1, 2 and 3.
अभी
Last year Liverpool was 100, Manchester City was 20. Like that.
But
अभी देख रहा.
you see the points it's like 33 and 33 like that's
Yeah, on goal difference Liverpool are ahead.
Yes, Liverpool is ahead. So वही बोल रहा हूँ कि so close encounter this time. Like Tottenham is doing Bale is in Tottenham, guys.
Bale is at Tottenham and Bale has scored 3 goals already, but he's injured and all. But dude, Tottenham are so fucking well this season. I'm not sure if you have seen Tottenham matches, bro.
I have seen.
Tottenham by Harry Kane and Son Heung-min का connection देख इस बार. Kane has become such a great player in this season. पहले Kane सिर्फ goals मारता था. Now Kane is creating chances.
Yes.
If you see the stats there, okay.
Yeah.
Kane 11 assists and 10 goals this season.
Oh,
And Son Heung-min has scored 12 goals already. And dude,
Yeah,
the
so
most
oh
important thing
God,
in
he is
Son
like
Singh is 12
yeah,
goals में एक भी penalty नहीं है उसका. एक भी penalty नहीं है. Salah scored 13 goals जिसमें 2 या 3 penalty है.
right.
Bruno Fernandes scored 11 goals जिसमें 10 penalty है.
Like City.
No, no, joking. 5-6 are penalties.
Like it's a United का अगर आधा goal if you
But dude,
compare as a team, if you compare आधा goals are in penalty so not a big thing.
of course, it is penalty United. It is penalty United. आधा तो वार उन्हीं के वजह से चल रहा है.
अरे चलता है.
आधा वार उन्हीं के लिए चलता है. It is
वो-
VAR is like VAR is specifically for Man United.
अरे oh.
But ये मेरे को एक बात बोल, like you said in the initial, you know, when we started this podcast अभी ये episode में, you were telling Man United is unpredictable, dude. That is exactly
is unpredictable.
what they are this
and
season.
Nobody is able to.
परसों तक they were like, oh boy, ये तो ऐसा है, ये तो वैसा है, ये तो
Do you
घटिया
remember
team
last
है.
year?
Suddenly they are second.
Remember last year Manchester Derby? क्या खेल रहे थे like
Yeah.
really like when it happened, like the
They won
defeated
both the derbies.
City
Yeah,
twice,
yeah, yeah.
and I was like, dude,
Twice.
they are playing such a like they're playing with such a like anger and all. This year they lost. They lost.
They,
And
I
then
mean,
again-
this was not the league derby, by the way. So they lost in the Carabao Cup semi-final, by the way. So Manchester United versus Manchester City, Carabao Cup semi-final था वो जिसमें City 2-0 जीता.
Right.
And Manchester United was hopeless, dude. I saw the match live, by the way.
Yes.
इतना घटिया खेला ना Manchester United. They right from the moment one, it was just City.
Yeah. And this is what happens
that-
in City. Like if you give City a little bit Pep
Room.
if you
Yeah,
give
yeah.
him the room, then he will take
He will
away
take
the
the
game.
stadium. He will take away the stadium. He will take away parking. He will take away everything.
everything. Like you cannot reverse it with City.
Counter attack and all
वो
and
सब
all
कुछ
that.
नहीं होता
thing.
एक बार City has the match, then it has the match. Then you cannot do
Yeah.
anything with it. Like this is what good about
Exactly.
Pep. And if he has lost the match, he has lost the match. Like there is no
Exactly.
like there is no like oh last minute में कुछ हो जाएगा फट बोल के no
No miracle.
no miracle.
It is very predictable. You can see, City के control में है game मतलब game जीत रहे हैं. City के
बस,
control में नहीं
नहीं है
है
तो नहीं जीत रहे. 68th मिनट में
बस.
नहीं है गोल तो 90 मिनट में गोल
नहीं रहेगा. नहीं होगा. But dude, so now since we've spoken about Carabao Cup, so now Carabao Cup final is happening in April. They pushed it to April so that fans can come and all. So the final is happening between Tottenham and Manchester City at Wembley. So it is Jose versus Pep. Okay, and let me tell you how interesting it is. So firstly, it is Manchester City because Manchester City for the last 3 years they have won that tournament.
Correct.
Carabao Cup, the League
Right.
Cup basically.
Right.
Okay. Secondly, it is Pep versus Jose.
Oh,
That too a cup final. Okay.
the
Thirdly,
rivalry.
this is the 5th time that Jose is in a League Cup final.
Yeah.
So the previous 4 times he was in a League Cup final, he won them. So he's not lost a League Cup final.
Yes.
This is the 5th time that he's going to be there. And this is the first time that Tottenham will get a trophy if they win. After 2008, this is the first time that they'll get a trophy.
And
if they
wish-
win,
and
and
I
I
want
want
them
Tottenham
to
to
get.
win.
I want them to get.
Yeah, I
this.
want them to get because they've
Because
been
if
a
they
very
get one
underrated
trophy,
team.
if they get one trophy this year, that boost,
Will
that
give them.
they'll give, I don't know, then they will take. I guess next उसके बाद this season will be very like interesting again to. मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. अगर this
See,
happens.
I tell you, they're playing well in Europa League also.
Yes.
By the way, आज रात का FA Cup match है. Okay, Europa League भी अच्छा ही खेल रहे हैं. Spurs, they are 4th right now with 4 points away. So it's a very tough one fight, dude. And
Yes.
मैं तो चाहता हूँ इस साल Spurs जीते league. I mean, I'm not predicting it. I want Tottenham to win the Premier League. I want
Yeah,
Jose to lift
I
the
just
trophy
I
again.
just don't believe in Liverpool because these people are like there is.
Dude, Liverpool
don't
lost to
believe in-
Southampton, dude.
I know.
And you saw that match. Wo match, after the match ended, their manager was in tears, bro. He was crying.
I was
वो
crying.
तेरे को पोचेटिनो का देखो पोचेटिनो का याद है वो चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल एजेक्स के साथ जीतने के बाद कैसा ही was crying. Yeah, exact मालूम like that only. He was down. He was like crying and all. And Klopp was like,
I just
and Klopp was like, And Klopp was like, oh, yeah, wo karke, and then unnecessarily even he took a dig. So all this while Jose was telling कि you know United एकदम फालतू टीम है, ये penalty जीतते रहते हैं, ये वो करके. Now even Klopp said that.
uh,
पता नहीं क्या होगा. So Liverpool are playing United.
and
The
yeah,
match is at Anfield.
sorry, answer.
Liverpool versus United is the next match, which is at Anfield.
And oh, इस बार fans तो रहेगा, ठीक है. They are allowing few.
नहीं 2000 fans है ना.
2000 fans है. Okay, okay.
4000 2000 कुछ है.
Okay.
So last time West Bromwich Albion played at Anfield.
Right.
And that was a 1-1 draw. So they are the only team in Premier League
who have defeated every team. every team. सबको हराया उन्होंने. एक-एक करके एक-एक बार
नहीं साउथहैम्पटन करा ऐसा. वेस्ट ब्रॉमविच नहीं किया. साउथहैम्पटन डिड दैट. वेस्ट ब्रॉमविच जस्ट दे ड्रॉ द मैच. हां साउथहैम्पटन करा. तो वेस्ट ब्रॉम सबको
हराया. सबको हराया.
मतलब बड़ा टीम के नेक्स्ट मैच, बड़ा टीम नेक्स्ट मैच. हां ऐसा किया है वो. ये वेस्ट ब्रॉम नहीं किया. सो वेस्ट ब्रॉम का अलग था. And Newcastle is the only team right now in the Premier League who managed a clean sheet. मतलब who did not allow Liverpool to score.
Oh.
0-0 and so Liverpool was 7-0 पैलेस के साथ जीते वो लोग.
Right. वो कमबैक
उसके बाद
वो that big comeback.
Right. उसके बाद में 1-1 ड्रॉ किए वो लोग अगेंस्ट वेस्ट ब्रॉमविच. उसके बाद में 0-0 ड्रॉ किए वो लोग अगेंस्ट न्यूकासल. फिर उसके बाद में परसों इन द न्यू ईयर they lost to Southampton 1-0. Danny Ings scored the goal in second minute. And dude, they are playing defensively amazing, dude. And I am really surprised at Tottenham's defense also this year कि भाई Jose Mourinho defense बहुत तगड़ा करा किया. When they played Manchester City, Tottenham versus City, क्या पार किया भाई. बस 2-0 जीते. मजा आ गया था मैच. So dude, who do you want to win the?
That is what Jose Mourinho has. Like Jose Mourinho का क्या है वो तो like थोड़ा
counter attack.
When he gets the team like then
that he wants exactly.
He wants exactly.
He can explode.
Like, ऐसा कुछ चाहिए मेरे को. मुझे अपना मेरे जो बोल रहा हूँ वो करो. And he will do it. Once he gets that, he will do it. And once he does it, and then it really miracle हो जाता है कभी-कभी.
बहुत समझ में नहीं आता. अरे ये लोग कैसे कर दिए ये सब.
ये लोग कैसे कर दिया. And I wish this. I guess this बार होना चाहिए वो miracle.
See, no. See, for sure they are getting a trophy this year. That is there. Whether it is one or multiple, that we don't know. They will get a trophy for sure. That वो एक six sense बोल रहा है. But I want them to win the Premier League. Where I really want them to win the Premier League. And this year, who do you want or who do you think will win?
For me, again, I believe Liverpool will win this year because उनका एक comeback हर बार रहता है. कुछ ना कुछ करके they will just come back once again. Because I don't trust them.
Yeah, so we are almost halfway into the season. Liverpool are on top by a very minute margin. So this season it is going to be till the last day. Yeah. And I just want Spurs to maintain the same consistency, and you know I want them to win the league. I want that miracle to happen. I'm not saying, I'm not giving a prediction. I'm saying what I want. I want Spurs to win the league, and I think it is possible this year, this season. Last year तो नहीं था. अगला season कैसा रहेगा नहीं मालूम. But I think this season is very different. So I think this season is very possible. This season was possible for a lot of teams. So this season was possible for United.
No.
This season was possible. Now it is possible for City also. This season was possible for Chelsea. But Chelsea are... See, that is what happens. Chelsea, they were talking like Premier League में Man United, Chelsea, Tottenham, Liverpool are all title contenders बोल के. Chelsea 2 या 3 मैच हारा. They are at 8th or 9th now.
अभी that how
Southampton को they are at 6th.
वो like you are saying that कि सच इतना क्लोजली पूरा है कि अगर एक मैच हारोगे तो हारोगे. No one knows.
No one knows. Agreed.
And again, this is not like, and Premier League is such a competitive league because it is not like La Liga, like you fall and then you have like from 8th you can come back at the top. Like top. Here it is
exactly very in a matter of 2 matches.
In a matter of 2 matches you are out. And so that's it about football. We have cricket. We have lost first test series. We have won the second test series, and kal last day hai. So I guess we will win that. I guess if we win this, so it will be a huge lead for like Indian cricket. कि हम लोग फिर से ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराएंगे बोल के. Let's hope.
It is a good thing. I mean, we bounced back really well after that 36 all-out debacle. I think we bounced back really well.
And अभी तो मतलब I guess आधा सभी लोग इंजर्ड हो जा रहे हैं क्रिकेट में, इंडियन क्रिकेट में.
It is becoming like football. आधा टीम बेंच पे बैठा
आधा
है.
टीम पे, आधा टीम कौन है ये, क्यों है, सडनली आ रहे हैं, दे आर किलिंग इट. सो अभी आई जस्ट होप कि कुछ हो ना जाए प्लेयर्स को, यू नो, मतलब थोड़ा मतलब everyone should be all right and all. And again, Australians, they proved that they are racists.
भाई
कुछ हुआ फिर से, कांड हुआ फिर से, like they were shouting some racist
हाँ,
slang
monkey and all that thing
Bumrah
that
and
thing
all.
happened, no?
And this is that's
Yeah,
why
yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah.
I lost, like मुझे कभी कोई लगता था ना कि पहले like they say ना, विराट कोहली क्यों इतना अग्रेशन दिखाता है लोगों पर,
हाँ,
like
नहीं दिखाना पड़ता है. दादा भी bro. By the way,
particularly with Australians
since
you have to show aggression,
he is,
because
yes, yes,
these people have no
deserve
hope.
that.
These people have
Yeah.
literally no, मतलब कुछ भी
अरे, you know the worst part is, dude. See, this is my opinion again. I don't think Australians के पास sportsmanship type का वो quality है. वो मैं expect भी नहीं करता.
and they never had that.
They are very different.
They never
They
had
never
that.
had that historically.
But
They've
always
always
that
been a
side.
rough team. They were always like hook by crook. We will win the game.
And they
या
will
जो
say
भी है.
that, and they always, you know what they say, you know, let's have some we would like to have some banter on the field. It's okay for us to do that. It's okay for us to do that.
ये वो घंटा all that
But when it
justification they
happens
will
to
give.
them, but when something
They
happens
can't take
to
it.
them, they cannot take the hit.
They can't take it.
They really cannot take it.
And so, dude, so there is a series on Australian cricket team on Amazon Prime.
Oh
The
God,
Test or something.
the most.
That is the exact opposite of
what
Australia I've seen
Australian,
from the childhood.
I'm just saying that
It
it's
is like
pretentious.
it is
cricket,
like that
cricket.
election manifesto. It is like
Yes.
you know that क्या बोलते हैं उसको कि भाई image cleaning बोलते हैं ना. It is like they paid Amazon to clean our image. Now we are going global and all.
The way
हमारा
Justin
image clean
Langer,
कर दे. We are sportsmen.
the way
उसमें
Justin
Steve
Langer
Smith
was
sitting
saying,
is crying. क्या?
the way Justin Langer was saying, you know, this is not an Australian way, you know, that how we deal with cricket and stuff. I'm like,
Yeah. Dude,
Justin
the
Langer,
intro
you were
itself.
in a team. You were in a team where you had the worst sledges of world cricket.
Exactly.
Your team. The worst
Exactly.
sledges. You Australia, you were in a team, and now just do. वो Amazon Prime का तो कैसा है, मतलब it's like I'm like, अरे ये नहीं है ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
हाँ, ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
लोग
ये
now
कौन सा ऑस्ट्रेलिया? I don't know.
now when they try to pretend कि oh my god, how did Jofra Archer hit the ball with that bouncer to Smith? You were like that.
You are
You
like
were like that when Brett Lee was there, like not Brett Lee, when Jeff Thompson was there, like in 70s से तुम लोग ऐसा ही क्रिकेट
When
खेलते हो.
Dennis Lilly was there,
तुम लोग ऐसा ही खेलते हो क्रिकेट.
always.
This was Australia.
Always.
Like right now, why did you like? Did you see that the shock? Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I know.
I just wish that he's not hurt. Oh God, you have hurt more.
Yeah,
Brett Lee का
more people.
भाई ब्रेटली ने
Brett Lee
द्रविड़
used
का
to
कितना
put
कुछ
body liner. मालूम.
कान तोड़ दिया एक का, और
Yeah,
जिम्बाब्वे
yeah.
टीम का क्या कुछ तोड़ दिया उसने एक बार. The hell
हाँ,
is-
जिम्बाब्वे बेचारे उनके पास मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं था, गरीब आदमी के पास. No, dude, but I mean that is the exact opposite of Australian team that I saw from the childhood.
Right.
If anyone has followed cricket for the past 15 years, then you see Amazon documentary on Australian cricket team. Then you will
And you're like,
clearly tell कि
अरे?
Amazon तो कितना पैसा लिया है.
अरे ये क्या है? अरे ये क्या है?
ये कौन सा ऑस्ट्रेलिया है?
ये कौन सा ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्यों ऐसा है?
ये तो बहुत घटिया था.
अभी
But talking about cricket and aggression and all, we have to talk about our man Dada, and he's
Dada.
hospitalized, so our prayers are with him.
Yes, he's okay now. Like he
By
has come.
He's okay now.
He's
So
okay now.
we need him. He's the BCCI president, dude.
Of course, he's a BCCI president. Of course, we need him. And अभी मतलब, I guess अभी तो मतलब like when you know जब हुआ था, like I was shocked, like how this could happen, like how could he get a heart attack, like how could Ganguly get something like this, like he has his heart blocked
Yeah.
for एक plus 10 when सब करना पड़ा, like how much stressed he is because Ravi Shastri is drinking all day.
Oh God.
I thought
No man. Enough said about cricket. So we'll close this
Yes.
with two small updates. So Shavik, अपन सब बात किए. We spoke about all the three big leagues and all. So just small update from Bundesliga. Robert Lewandowski, as usual, is killing it. भाई 20 गोल मारा भाई अभी तक सीजन में. 20 goals, dude. 20 goals, bro. And Erling Haaland is on 12. And
Acha.
also one more thing, guys. One more update about ISL,
No,
Indian Super League. It's
Indian
happening.
Super League.
Super by इस बार
Oh
so
God, Indian
Indian
Super
Super
League में
League में
Hyderabad is killing it this time. Hyderabad is killing it.
Hyderabad is killing it. Our hometown
Hyderabad,
Hyderabad is killing it this
Hyderabad is
time.
killing it.
And there's this
Yeah.
player called Liston Selkau. वो भी
Okay.
मस्त खेल रहा है.
अच्छा.
And सबसे बड़ी बात ISL में इस बार, dude, East Bengal and Mohun Bagan are now part of ISL.
Oh, the Kolkata
Yeah,
Derby.
so the Kolkata Derby is
The
happening on
Kolkata
ISL. It
Derby.
already happened once. I think
Yeah.
these people, Mohun Bagan jeeta shayad. I don't remember the score last time.
Yeah.
But currently Mumbai City is on top,
Acha.
and Mohun Bagan is on second,
Of
and
course.
Hyderabad is on third,
Third.
guys. Yeah, East Bengal is on ninth. So, like, fortunately, we don't have relegation and all in ISL, but yeah, the ISL is also happening fantastic, and Hyderabad is killing it. So check
Yeah.
out that also. And Shavik, before closing, I want to ask you this: अपन
Yes.
सब leagues के बारे में बात किए, but we forgot about the league of the league of the leagues.
What?
Who do you think will win the Champions League?
Champions League.
Who do you want to win the Champions League?
देखो बार्सिलोना बोलेंगे, देखो बार्सिलोना तो कभी
नहीं, मतलब दिल से तो बार्सा
बार्सिलोना
चाहते
ही
हैं कि जीते.
कि जीते, but
Yeah.
मुझे लग रहा है कि this time Atletico Madrid will win.
Not La Liga.
वो नहीं है ना वो लोग.
देखते हैं रुक.
I guess they are in this. Let me just see.
नहीं. Yeah, they are obviously there, dude. Even I'm checking. So you want Atletico?
Yeah. For just ऐसा ही.
कि एक ही surprise.
Because
Atletico है bro.
Because
Atletico है.
Because the issue is, I was watching that they had this. They are called losers. They have their word is they are called losers everywhere. They have given themselves for the word losers because they have not won. Never कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ बड़ा कुछ कभी नहीं जीते वो लोग.
एक बार जीते थे ला लीगा, बस उसके बाद बड़ा कुछ नहीं. यूरोपा वगैरह जीते हैं उतना, ऐसा मेजर कुछ नहीं.
Major big tournaments they have not. So they are considered to be the very good team, like with that criminal.
Yeah. Good team like South Africa, who's a good team, but they have not won anything.
Yeah. So this time let's bas has a heck of it कुछ देखेंगे because
अरे पर ला लीगा तो ये साल जीतेंगे ही वो लोग कैसे भी.
तो बार्सिलोना जीतना है. If this can
okay, so I'll just quickly tell you what are the matches. Okay, in a minute we will finish this.
Yes.
Okay, so the round of 16, Liverpool will be playing Leipzig. Leipzig भाई तगड़ा खेल रहा है. They are second, I think, in Bundesliga right now. Okay. Leipzig तगड़ा खेल रहा है. So Liverpool will be playing Leipzig. बाद में Barcelona will be playing PSG.
Right.
Okay, and Sevilla is playing Dortmund. Porto will be playing Juventus.
Correct.
Atletico Madrid are playing Chelsea, bro.
Atletico will be playing Chelsea, right? I agree.
Yeah.
That ये हो जाता है. That's a big deal.
जीत जाएंगे?
हाँ?
Chelsea को मार देंगे लग रहा है?
Of course मार देंगे. Of course. Do you think Chelsea नहीं? Chelsea आराम से वो ये जीत जाते मैच लोग. मुझे बस डर है कि बार्सिलोना वर्सेस पीएसजी का क्या होता बस.
पीएसजी का क्या होगा करके मेरे को भी वही डर है dude, क्योंकि पोचेटिनो अच्छा कोच है bro. He's actually a good coach and I want him to win that League One so that he can lift a trophy. But he's a good manager, man.
And the issue with बार्सिलोना का बड़ा टीम के साथ लास्ट ईयर बहुत हमको दिल पे लगा है चैंपियंस लीग में, तो मुझे वो डर रहेगा हर बार कि ऐसा ना हो हमारे साथ फिर से.
And PSG, by the way, is a good team.
Of course, it's a good team. Great team.
It is a good team.
It's a great, nice.
It is a great team, but the match is at camp now, so I hope at least home advantage रह के तो जीते हैं.
जीते मतलब थोड़ा डर तो रहे, but I don't know. अभी
थोड़ा डर तो रहे.
अभी डर नहीं रहा बार्सिलोना में किसी को.
क्या बोले. चलो, anyways, guys, so that is it from today for this episode from our side. So this where the podcast may be lengthy, but it will be good. So we'll try to do this on a regular basis, and this time, as a new year resolution, we'll try to bring it at least bi-weekly or weekly, so that we can post up regular updates, so that you can listen to it, on a better thing. And कि मतलब हफ्ता आपको भी, so that we are also in the same page as the Premier League and the other leagues. क्योंकि हम लोग generally क्या करते थे, आज रिकॉर्ड कर दिया, फिर 2 हफ्ते तक एडिट चल रहा है, तब तक टेबल ही बदल गया एंड द रिकॉर्डिंग गोज वेस्ट. सो
And suddenly you're
अभी
like
ऐसा नहीं, सब
United.
सीरियसली वांट टू.
Suddenly you're like, अरे United क्या गंदा खेल रहा, अरे United तो अच्छा खेल रहा है.
And then they're on top. Oh shit, ये तो गलत हो गया.
Plus
So
हो गया.
guys, please check out the videos, and we'll also try to do this not over Zoom, in person we would meet and proper
हाँ.
recording भी करेंगे. And whenever things are not good, we'll try to do it on Zoom and stuff. But please, thank you for watching this episode, and like, share, and subscribe to our channel for many more videos, for many more stuff related to stand-up and football and cricket. So we'll be posting stand-up videos there, which are already there also. And our old podcast videos are also there. Go check them out. That's a really nice stuff that we are doing. And please share the videos. Please subscribe to our channel. गरीब लोग हैं हम लोग. Please, 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 please.